this video, we will see how to enable this new feature, locking and unlocking WhatsApp with fingerprint. Please subscribe to my channel to get updates when new video content is added. So let's get started with this WhatsApp video on fingerprint lock. Open WhatsApp on your phone and next click this three-dotted more icon option in the top right of your phone screen. Next, click Settings option from the drop-down menu. And next, click Account tab on this phone screen. And next, click Privacy tab to add fingerprint lock. Here on the screen, scroll to the bottom. You can see the fingerprint lock facility is disabled. Let's click here and next enable it to secure WhatsApp with fingerprint to open. Next, confirm your fingerprint by touching the phone fingerprint sensor. And we are done adding fingerprint sensor to WhatsApp. You can select either of the three options immediately, after a minute, or after 30 minutes. Immediately is a better option. Note, you can still take WhatsApp calls without opening WhatsApp. WhatsApp fingerprint lock option may or may not be visible on smartphones that do not have fingerprint sensor locking system. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.